how low the bags went, though. I think I'm gonna restore it. No, seriously. We'll get a new door, new windows, new handle, new mirror, new windshield. Genuinely, we can fix it back up. Yeah, let's push it inside, and then we're gonna start cleaning it up.
Don't open the door the whole way. The glass will fall out and slice someone's neck.
All right, let me grab my big detailing brush.
This is the...
I lied, so literally everything is gonna shrink. Oh my god! Like nothing. I just feel like making it a convertible. Oh my! It's shredding the whole car! We're getting into the engine. Oh my god. This thing is doing great.